Welcome to this 15-minute daily somatic yoga practice. My name is Eckstrom, co-founder of Inner Dimension Yoga, and in this practice, we're going to address your full body, and this practice is accessible to all levels. Let's get started standing at the top of the mat. And so as you come to the top of your mat, separate your feet about sitting bone distance, so increasing that somatic sense of being grounded and steady. And you might rock a little bit forward and back or side to side until you find true center for yourself. You might close the eyes or soften the gaze, and then draw the hands together at the space of the heart as you begin to take your attention within. And in a daily practice, we can ask ourselves, what is mine to carry? And is there anything that you're carrying that you might be invited to put down today? What is yours to carry? And is there anything you can invite yourself to set down today as you step onto your mat and step into your practice? Take a deep breath in through the nose. Open the mouth, exhale, let it go. On an inhale, circle the arms to the sky. And then as you exhale, fold forward, dive all the way out and down. Hands to shins, flat back on the in-breath. Fold back down on the out-breath. Rise back up to the sky, inhale as you sweep to stand. And then as you exhale, reach your left arm forward, your right arm behind you, coming into a wide arm twist. Back to center, inhale, both arms up. Exhale, left arm back, right arm ahead, twist to the opposite side. Inhale, both arms to the sky, reach up. Exhale, fold forward and down, noticing that you're not gripping through the toes. Hands to shins, flat back, pulling breath low. Exhale, fold and let the head go. One last time, inhale as you rise to the sky. Exhale, draw the hands to the heart and then drop the arms down by the sides. Right arm reaches out to the right and up to the sky on an inhale. Cross it over in front of the body and then back down to the right side as you exhale. Same thing, second side. Inhale, left arm out and up. Exhale, cross it over and back down. Both arms rise. Inhale, maybe gaze up as we prepare to move on. Exhale as you fold forward, out and down. Inhale, pull the chest out. And then as you exhale, plant the hands and just step back into your downward facing dog. From downward facing dog, on an inhale, lift the right leg up and off the mat. And as you exhale, step your right foot forward, lower your left knee down behind your left hip. And then 3 big arm circles here. Reach your right arm to the back of the space, inhale it to the sky. Exhale it overhead and then back outside the right foot 2 more times so we get that nice fluid motion in the shoulder joints. And 1 more big circle here and just slowing things down, imagining that you were moving through water or moving through something thick. And then place your right hand down outside of your right foot. Tuck your left toes under. Spin your back left foot flat. And then cartwheel open into warrior 2. Right knee pointing ahead, descend into the right thigh. And on an inhale, right leg straightens, both arms lift to the sky. Exhale, re-bend and spread 2 more times. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. And this time, straighten the right leg and reverse triangle pose. So with the right leg straight, lift the right hip up, reach the right arm back. You find a nice, sweet side stretch. Inhale to lean back. And as you exhale all the way up and over into triangle pose, Trikonasana. Right hand to right shin, left arm to the sky. Long lines of energy through the sides of the waist. Stability through the soles of the feet. If you'd like to extend your triangle, maybe that left arm sweeps up and over the crown of the head as you reach long from the top of the left hip through the left fingertips. And give it one last little reach there as you extend. And then all the way into reverse warrior. So bend the right knee. This time, reach the right arm up and overhead. Traditional reverse warrior. Inhale, lean back. And then exhale, cartwheel the hands down onto the floor. Spin onto your back left toes. Look forward and step up to the top of the mat. Hands to shins on an inhale. Exhale and fold. Rise to the sky, pressing through the feet as you sweep to stand. Hands down to the heart on the out breath. And start to shift the weight into the left foot and come into your version of tree. That might mean the right toes stay on the floor inside the arch of the left foot. Maybe the foot lifts up to your inner calf, or maybe it lifts up to your inner thigh, as long as you're above or below your knee. Hands at the heart. And so when we feel safe, our nervous system and our entire physical bodies undergo a physiological shift that primes us to be better learners, to heal faster, and to feel more alive. And so the gift that you're giving yourself as you set down whatever is not yours to carry, of having this safe physiological system that allows you after your practice to really be expansive. Lower your right foot down to meet your left. Circle both arms to the sky on an inhale. And exhale, fold out over your legs. Flat back, deep breath in. Hands down as you exhale, step back to plank, and then lower your knees down behind your hips and lower all the way slow. Baby cobra on an inhale. And then exhale, Anahata Asana. So it's like child's pose, but with the hips above the knees. Walk the arms forward. Maybe the chin rests down onto the mat, or maybe it's the forehead that rests. And take a couple of breaths. And cultivating that safe system inside of you. Simultaneously up-regulating and down-regulating through the practice of yoga and the quality of the attention that you bring. Grounding down into the hands, lift the forehead or lift the chin, tuck the toes, lift the hips up and back into your last downward facing dog today. On an inhale, the left leg lifts off the mat. Exhale, step the left foot through, let the right knee descend behind the right hip. Right hand under right shoulder, reach the left arm back, and then up to the sky. Circle it forward and back down 2 more times. So your practice will keep you honest about what you've worked through and what continues to require your attention. The next time your hand comes down, pause there, tuck your right toes under, lift your right knee up, spin your back foot flat, cartwheel open into warrior 2. Left knee tracking open to the left. And just with love and attention, inhale, left leg straight, arms to the sky, gentle flow. Exhale, re-bend and spread 2 more times. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. And exhale. From there, straighten your left leg. Reverse triangle all the way up and back on that in-breath. And as you exhale, all the way up and over into Trikonasana, triangle pose. And remembering that you could stay here, really creating that felt sense of stability in the body. And if you wanted to, you could extend the top arm up and over the head. It's not necessary, but it's an option there if that feels appropriate to what you're attuning to today. But the listening you do in this practice is never to an external source or teacher. You are always aiming that listening back inside of yourself. If the right arm went overhead, reach it back up. We meet here. Rebend the left knee. Inhale, reverse your warrior all the way up and back. Exhale, circle the hands down, spin onto the back toes, and step up to the top of the mat. Inhale, lengthening. Exhaling and folding. Inhale as you rise to the sky. Exhale, hands down to the heart. And shift the weight into the right foot and come into your version of tree on your second side. Sole of the left foot finds its place. And as you cultivate physical balance, never withholding your breath. And strong sensation is something you can be with. What is yours to carry? And what can you put down today? Take a breath. Left foot comes down to meet the right. For a moment, attention drops back inside, aware that your practice inevitably creates a shift when you are courageous enough and present enough to pause and notice it. Inhale, sweep the arms up. Exhale, dive down. So nice to remember that even these short practices are effective. Flat back on an inhale. Exhale, plant the hands down, step back to plank pose, and then lower the knees down. Cross the ankles behind you or sweep the feet to one side and come all the way onto the back. Soles of the feet together, knees open out wide, coming into Supta Baddha Konasana. And if that's too much on your inner thighs, take the opposite. Feet wide, knees together. So there's always a place for you in this practice. Hands could rest on the body. Take a deep inhale through the nose. Open the mouth and let it go. Through the nose, inhale for 1, 2, 3, 4. Pause at the top for 1, 2, 3, 4. Out the nose, exhale for 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold the breath out for 4, 3, 2, 1. Twice more. Inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4. Pause, 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Pause empty for 4, 3, 2, 1. Always take care of yourself. Last time, breathe in 1, 2, 3, 4. Pause 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Pause empty for 4, 3, 2, 1, take a deep breath in and a full breath out. Spread the arms out away from the body, and if the soles of the feet are together, now spin the soles of the feet flat. Open the feet as wide as the mat. Drop both knees to the right. How does your body want to be breathed? That is key to a somatic practice. How does your body need to be breathed in this moment? Spin the soles of the feet back flat, still as wide as the mat, and drop the knees to the left. And then soles of the feet spin flat and extend the legs out. Arms descend by the sides, palms to the sky. And Shavasana as you surrender into a final rest. Setting down anything you don't need to carry for this brief and final rest. Deep breath in, full breath out. And rebend the knees and rock your way up to a final seat. And join the hands at the heart as you bow the chin. And today, to take that inquiry with you throughout the entirety of your day, you get to ask yourself, is this mine to carry? Is this mine to hold? And in that moment, the permission to set it down, not to chuck it at the other person, not to have any kind of mind that adds to aggression or division, but just to align with what is yours to carry today and to take responsibility for that. Trusting other people to take responsibility for their part. And this is how we practice daily. Thank you so much for being here today. I look forward to seeing you next time. Thank you for your practice. If you enjoyed this style of class, follow the link below over to Inner Dimension Yoga, where we have a tremendous growing library of somatically aligned classes with myself and several other incredible teachers. When you join, your first 10 days are free. Leave me a comment. Let me know how you're doing after this practice. It's always so good to hear from you. And if you haven't already, please be sure to click subscribe so we can keep sharing yoga with people around the world. Thank you. And I look forward to seeing you next time.